Thank you for your purchase at Crystal Tractor. We prepared a short video of features and benefits. Welcome to the Crystal family.
Hi folks, Dave here with Crystal Tractor. Congratulations on the purchase of your 7000 series Mahindra and welcome to the Crystal family. The 7000 series Mahindra is equipped with a Mahindra common rail diesel engine. That means no regen, only DEF fluid. Equipped with the front loader, this tractor weighs just over 10,000 pounds. It comes with skid steer style front quick attach, a bucket level indicator. The entire front loader assembly is quick attach for those mowing applications where you may not want the loader, and you have a front lift capacity just over 4,200 pounds. The Category 2 3-point hitch comes with telescopic stabilizers, turnbuckle adjustments, dual rear remotes, and drawbar. Lift capacity is just over 5,700 pounds. This tractor has a synchro shuttle transmission. You simply flip the switch for forward or reverse. You have 15 forward and 15 reverse gears. Hand throttle control, joystick controls for your front loader. It comes with draft control to determine the depth of your rear implement and position control for your rear implements. It also comes with the controls for your dual rear remotes. Located next to the parking brake, you'll find the lever to determine your 540 or 540 economy PTO. To engage the PTO, you simply press down and turn to the on position. To disengage, tap the button. The only time use of the clutch is needed is to select your gear range and your gear. The center pedal is to adjust the tilt of the steering wheel. To engage four-wheel drive, press in the clutch, pull up on the lever. To engage full locking differential while in four-wheel drive, press your heel down on the pedal. This is the M Comfort suspension seat. To add air to the seat, press in on the valve. To pull air out of the seat, pull out on the valve. To move the seat forward and back, use this lever. The 7000 series cab is equipped with AC and heat. It already has speakers installed and a cutout to install a radio. The #1 selling farm tractor in the world is backed with a 5-year warranty to give you peace of mind. Thanks again for your purchase and welcome to the Crystal family.